wf-2750 here, and I just want to show you a quick tip I've got in this box here. Well, the box is from Ink X Pro. That's where you get this device over here, the ciss, that gives you continuous ink feed to your Epson printer, and you don't have to keep buying all very expensive cartridges. But what I want to tell you about these cartridges, when you take the old ones out, please save the cartridges. There's a reason for that. Sometimes your programming in your Epson printer can get messed up, and you have to take the ciss out of the cartridge tray inside the printer and stick your corresponding colors back in the tray and reprogram the printer and let it go through its thing. Once that's done and it's satisfied, okay, take these out, put them back in the box, and put your ciss ink tank right there back in the printer, and let it do its thing and let it run and adjust the ink in it. So even after paper jams, you'll find after paper jams, you'll need to stick the originals in because it wants you to check everything in the printer. I hope this helps you. I hope this tip is very valuable to you, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching, and please rate and subscribe and ring the notification bell to the right, and we'll see you. Thank you.